Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enter the Volcano Cavern in the new Fish It update. So the new update is officially live and everyone is talking about the new area which is called the Volcano Cavern. Here, Kohana Island has been revamped and it is updated with the new areas that you can explore. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enter the Volcano Cavern. So first, you just need to go inside the Kohana Volcano here. Okay, I've already inside the volcano, and what you need to do here is just go to this area near like this lava waterfall, and this is where the new area is. You can see you can go down, teleport by using the Hazmat Suit. So if you want to enter the Volcano Cavern, you need to wear this Hazmat Suit, but you need to first finish the quest that's called the Suit It Up. So there are two missions that you need to complete, and after you put on the Hazmat Suit, you can just easily enter this Volcano Cavern. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.